Hello everybody and welcome to a new lecture of Odoo 11 development tutorial. Hello everybody and welcome to a new lecture of Odoo 11 development tutorial. In this lecture we are going to learn how to start, or let's say prepare our development environment so that you can develop your and start your Hello everybody and welcome to a new lecture of Odoo 11 development tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to download Odoo and prepare your development environment so that you can start developing new modules and switching between projects very easily, and of course you will learn how to configure your server so that you can also can test your modules before publishing it or sharing it with your customer, and to make sure that everything is working fine. In this lecture we will start with installing Odoo and getting Odoo from GitHub. For this purpose I have list the steps here, and as you can see it's very simple to follow. So I will start the terminal, which is, let's say, very handy tool to configure your environment. So I'm gonna to paste these packages here. Okay, we can go through these packages very quickly. As you can see, it's get. It will be the tool we are going to use to get Odoo, and of course to build the repositories for our new modules. GitHub is a very handy tool to manage your source code. npm is a Node.js package manager, and there are some other packages like Python pip. Python pip is a package manager for Python. We are going to use it to install the Python modules that's required by Odoo. We have also Postgres, which will be the relational database which is used by Odoo to store the data on the hard disk. Other libraries like XML and XSLT and LDAP and GPG and so on are the packages that Odoo is depending on to, for example, GPG for images. Also we have PNG here. We are going to download them directly from their repositories. So I will start with downloading them because it will take a few minutes. We can download it during downloading and installing the packages in the terminal. So you do not have to worry about the URLs, or I will share it in the description on YouTube, and I will attach the file that describes the installation on Udemy. For now I'm going to search for download wkhtml2 PDF, which is a package that Odoo used to convert the HTML, or let's say XML QWeb files to PDF. We will learn more about QWeb during this course, so you do not have to worry about every terms or concepts I'm talking here. Everything will be explained later on. I also need to download the BNG 12.0 for Ubuntu, so I will, yes, okay, okay. Oh, I have mistyped download. There was Mary Ann's here. Okay, so we have it here. Both, I think both are the same, so but I will use the second link. And here I'm going to download wkhtml to PDF. When you are getting wkhtml to PDF, you need to be careful, because this one, I mean 12.1, this version is the one which is compatible with Odoo. So you need to download this version. Other versions it's okay, but you might face some issues with the header and footer when printing the PDF files. So I will download this one for trusty DB file. Okay, save file, and I will move here to get libpng. Okay, these are the servers where you can get the package, but it's okay. I will choose the first one. They are all almost the same. Okay, it seems that we are done with the download. Okay, I will get back to the terminal to make sure that we are also done with downloading packages. Yes, great. It's very okay. See, upload. I will. Okay, I need to make sure that we have the packages. Yes, we have libpng with the right version and wkhtml to x. It will install wk2html to pdf, which is needed by Odoo, and make sure that you have it 12.1. okay, so I'm going to install it. So do the package -i, which is the package manager that is responsible for installing the packages locally, and -i is for installing okay, all the packages with extension dep. So it should be done. Very good. Okay, so I'm going now to install some Node.js packages. Install -g for global and less dash plugin dash clean dash css. Okay, while downloading and installing, I think I need to move. I'm sorry, I will not copy. I need to have a new tab here. I need to log to the user Postgres, which is let's say the root user for Postgres database, where you can manage the database databases as you want. Okay, for now I'm going to create a user -s. It should match the username here you are going to create, which is the database user, should match the system user that will connect to the database. In such case, it's Muhammad, which will be the regular user. I mean the users that I'm going to use for development work. So it will be Muhammad. Make sure that it's the right spelling. Okay, we are also done with npm. Okay, I think we are ready now to get Odoo itself. So I'm going to download it. I will navigate to the official website, which is odoo.com. From there you have two options to download Odoo. You can navigate to the download page, which is there, download page, and GitHub. Let's talk at first about this download page. When you start it, you can just enter your details over there and just hit the button download to get whatever version you want for whatever platform you have. So, but it can be useful when you are working on a project that needs a fixed version of Odoo. What I mean by fixed version of Odoo, it means that you do not need to have new updates or features, any bug fixes. All you need is to have a fixed version to make sure that that everything is stable and and to avoid any updates that might disturb your development. But as a developer, you might be interested more in having the updates, let's say the bug fixes, maybe new features, So I will start with downloading it using by cloning it. First of all, I need to have a directory where I will keep all my modules and my projects, of course, and I name it Odoo 11 tutorial. Okay, I will move to Odoo 11 tutorial. I will get clone. Okay, it's not working for me, I think. Okay, I need to. Okay, I will add the name of the branch I need to download, which is 11, and I need just this branch. Why I have added this option single branch, because we have many branches here. You can download whatever version you want, starting from 5 to 11, which you have a lot of options over there. So I need to only download single branch, and of course I need to have the last commit. If I did not add depth 1, it will get all let's say 114 thousands, okay, thousands of commits. It's a very very large amount of code to have. So you need also to keep it very simple. Just get the last commit. So it should take a minute before having it. Okay,
continue to offer high-quality education.
Okay, we are done now by the cloning the repository. So I will navigate to the repository we had. Okay, we have some. I will navigate to the repository we had, and as you can see we have some other files. Add-ons is where you have all the modules, which is the native modules, I would say the default modules from Odoo, and these files are the framework. Actually, this one is the framework files. For now, I'm interested only in this file or the script, which will be used to start the database, and this file and requirements.txt, and there is another requirement.txt file here in doc. So for now, I'm going to proceed with the installation with pip3, which is I'm sure that you remember that pip3 is a package manager for Python, where you can use to install or remove or also upgrade Python packages. So I will install -r requirements. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so it might take a few minutes because there is a lot of packages to be downloaded and installed in this requirements file. Until getting it ready, I think we need to navigate to the add-ons file. Yes, here, as you can see, we have a lot of modules, which is caring about some the localization here for different countries. Let's say this column, and of course this column also. But we still have some applications, or let's say main applications like account. We have also CRM for customer relationship management. We have also event to manage events. We have fleet for fleet management. We have HR for human resources management. Also, we have also website HR and HR recruitment, so that you can publish jobs and get the applications from candidates or whoever interested in the job you are publishing. We also have a website quote where you can share the quotation with your customer, where he can approve or whatever. We have sales module to manage your sales, and of course purchasing. It's a very interesting modules or interesting folder. Actually, we are going to build our own modules, and it will be in custom folder somewhere else. So you do not have to worry about what you are seeing now. We are going back to it later on. Okay, let's check the installation. Okay, it's now compiling for LXML and some other files. I think we are done with downloading, but it's working with installation. Okay, so let's proceed with other files. Let's say Odoo, as I told you a minute ago. This file folder contains the main files for the framework, where you have the APIs. We are going to use APIs, many APIs. I believe that we can navigate to API or open the API file. We are going to I need to have the most common used APIs. It's not easy to find it here, but anyway, CR UI IDs context, which is an API, our decorator. It will be a decorator that you can be used to pass some attributes to the method, like CR, UID, and IDs, and of course some context. I need we are almost okay. Yes, it's multi and one. Yes, these are some decorators also that we are using when developing new modules. Of course, you do not have to worry about what I'm saying now. we are going to explain it all in more details. For now, also you have fields. Fields.py is the file where Odoo defines the main types of fields like minute one, text, character file, integer of course, and float, and so on. We will work with this file also, but actually we will not modify it. We will navigate through this file to understand or let's say explore the fields types. And models is the same. There are some types of models like models.models or models.transit files. I'm sorry, transit model. Okay, so we also have http.py, which is responsible for the front end or website, and the website. We have also in Odoo, we have another folder for add-ons. Okay, where we have some add-ons here for testing. Mainly it's care more about testing, and we also have the base module, which is, let's say, the most base module that should be installed so that other modules can be installed. So I will navigate to install. Yes, we are done, and we are lucky because there is no errors at all. I will navigate to doc file. As I told you a minute ago, we have also a requirements file over there, but it has a less or fewer packages to be installed. So I will close this tab. Okay, we are done now. I will navigate back to the parent directory, which is the parent of as a parent repository, or the most parent folder or repository. Okay, for now, as I told you a minute ago, we are interested in this script. Okay, and we have Odoo -bin add-on. We will tell it where to find the add-ons, and of course it will be the default one for here, the add-ons. We will learn later on how to add the custom folder for add-ons. I will tell it to start a new database. -d is for database. I will call it test installation. Okay, and as you can see that it's contains all information about the version we are using it, which is Odoo 11, and where are the add-ons which is used by Odoo for now. I'm sorry, it's moving very fast. Okay, we have here .local share Odoo add-ons, which is created when starting the service for the first time. This Odoo /add-ons is the same one I have added here in the add-ons path, and also we have Odoo add-ons. It is the add-ons path we have here in the framework folder. Okay, okay, so it's telling us that the HTTP service is running on this using this URL and IP, I mean, and of course the port here. We will learn later on how to change this port, so you do not also have to worry about this. Okay, I just need to make sure that the installation is working fine with no problem. Okay, it's not working again. I need to type it myself. Okay, let's navigate back to here. As you can see, we have almost no issues. It's all green word info, which is telling us that we have no issues. Okay, the default username and default password is admin. Okay, yes, it seems that we are we were lucky enough to have it work with no issues. I will install CRM, and it will take a few minutes. I think it 1 minute, 1 minute to be installed, because it's a demo database, which means that we have a demo data to be loaded side by side the other files, like message type, some other views, some data to be loaded. So there are also some demo data to be downloaded, also to be loaded to the service. You can find it here, and okay, it's not easy to find it. Okay, I'm searching for a demo file. Yes, I have found one, CRM data, CRM lead demo, which contains some leads, which is dummy leads to for testing. Okay, so getting back here, yes, okay, we have CRM downloaded and installed. As you can see, you will find some leads, which is just for testing. You can find it here. It's very easy interface, which is the easy interface and attractive interface is one of the strengths point of Odoo. Okay, we will stop here, and we will back with in the next lecture, inshallah. Bye.